Hello friends, welcome to my channel Homeschool Fun. Today, this is the part 2 of the series that we saw about last week, that combining maths with art and making activities fun for our kids to learn, play and enjoy. So let's see this video. So for this, I'm using a thick sheet of paper like a chart paper and measuring 2 by 2 centimeter square. So to make this grid, we may need to make horizontal and vertical lines to make the equal size of square of 2 by 2 centimeter. And then cut down any extra paper which is left. Then let's add color to it. Color will always make it appealing and look beautiful. So here I am using plain watercolor. You can use any color of your choice. But this is very simple, easy to use and quick to dry. So I am here using watercolor. It will dry in another 5 minutes, so I am using it this, and you can use the thick colors, poster colors, any colors of your choice. So after using it, let it dry for some time and then we will mark it. We will take a marker pen or any black pen and then draw the grids. So now it looks clear and beautiful. Then add numbers from 1 to 70. Here I am doing that. You can do even more. Now I have taken an even more thick sheet of paper, and here again, following the same measurement of 2 by 2 centimeter, we are making grids. We need 9 grids. So cut down the extra part and make the 9th grid. But just score it. Do not cut it out. We have to cut only the middle piece like this. But the others are only scored. They are not removed. See. They are 4 are cut in slit and other are scored. And on the one side you have to write -1 and +1, and on the top side you have to write -10 and +10, like this. So our instrument is ready. Now take this and put it on the sheet we have made before, the number sheet. And now how we use it? 23 minus 10 is 13, 23 plus 10 is 33, 23 minus 1 is 22, 23 plus 1 is 24. This is the way the child will learn -10 plus 10 minus 1 plus 1 and develop his interest in maths and numbers. So I hope you like these activities that we did. Do give me a like, share, subscribe, and with more fun activities, we'll see you next week. Bye bye.